No, Brit. Brit.
No, you keep it.
I'm going to send it back to you.
No, I say keep it.
She giving it because you can buy grocery and all of them something there.
Brittany. Brit, I send you the money because I want to send you. Okay?
Yeah. No, miss I no, keep it.
Boxer, when I catch your spin.
So keep it.
So why you don't want
No,
it, Brit?
keep it. Just keep it, girl.
Why you don't want it, Brit?
Nothing.
Keep it for you until I'm ready for it.
Okay, that sounds good.
Okay.
Let's hope I never be ready for it. Me, I want to give you.
Okay.
Oh,
But Brit, she said she don't need it. She can't send it to you because yours. She don't need it right now.
Fabi, why you look so you good?
Hmm?
You good?
Them not catch your speed over here, sir.